Hello, my name is Prakash Krishnamurthy. I am the Chief Sales Officer of FVC. We are a value-added distributor in the Middle East and African region. JISEC, first of all, let me tell you, we are a debutant in JISEC. This is the first year we are participating in JISEC. FVC has been a predominantly a video conferencing company and very well known across the 55 countries. But recently, over the last 4 years, we've done very well in the cybersecurity domain, and cybersecurity is growing at a pace of 30% plus. And because of this, this year we decided to participate in JISEC. JISEC has been exceptional for us. We got the visibility of quality customers, even though we used to be connecting to enterprise customers, but today real quality government agencies came to us. And these government agencies have come with genuine demand and request for supporting them with quality cybersecurity solutions. That's the good thing about. So our team is focused completely on bringing value add and giving exceptional quality solutions to government agencies as well as enterprises. Cybersecurity has become more and more complex. Overall, if you look at the worldwide cybersecurity, there are 8,000 companies who are trying to enter into the world. There are already 8,000 companies which are there. And every small company who's trying to develop a software, they are trying to develop a defensive software. Cybersecurity world is governed by two areas. One is the defensive software part, one is the offensive part. The defensive part, there are lots of companies. The competition has become intense. The challenges are such that many of them have half-cooked solutions, which also becomes a problem for us. We as a distributor cannot deliver half-cooked or half-configured solutions to the customers. The other side of the cybersecurity, what has happened is Middle East has seen a great intensity of attacks. The landscape of attack across the Middle East has been phenomenal. The intensity is so high because we've had so many countries in between having nearly millions of attacks on a daily basis. So this landscape, what has changed the Middle East market, has become very challenging because every company is trying to give a solution, but they don't have a complete overall offering. So if we need to give a complete overall offering with specific speciality and expertise, then we need to be able to give a solution which is tangible to the customer, and he has a satisfaction that his problems and his defenses are very good. This is what is the current challenge of the industry. So in the past, the cybersecurity world has also evolved. The attackers used to attack in the early stages of the network, early stages of the web. But now the attackers are attacking much more deeper. They've become much more smarter. The hackers worldwide have created a consortium with themselves. They are exchanging information with each other as to how to attack, which is my special. They also have specific region speciality. So that is the change which has happened in the world. So the trend, what is happening is to for organizations where they are trying to get a one framework of solution. In the past, you could have silo solutions to stop your problems, to eradicate your problems. But now most of the organizations are trying to go into a GRC solution, which is governance, risk management, and compliance. Now, if I have a framework like that, then that will help me keep the controls at the right places, and I'll be able to manage the cyber attacks. So this is the GRC is the first current trend which is happening. Second trend is API security. API security is such that nowadays there are too many applications being developed. There is one application which is connecting with another application. When these two applications talk, there is a vulnerability, there is a gap. So the hacker gets an opportunity to hack again. So again, these have to be stopped. So API security has become a very, very important place. And web attacks Web is the only place where you can get hackers attacking you as an organization. So web attacks have also increased. So every organization, the requirement becomes a DAST solution. So dynamic application security testing has become a very important thing because applications have to be safeguarded. A banking application, a government application, a retail application, all these, each and every individual application has to be safeguarded. To safeguard them, you need to have a DAST solution so that in between there are no bugs in the cybersecurity production during the production stage or the launching stage.